Hi everyone. So let us start from Hello World Python. So any language, if you are learning a new language, it's conventional to start from Hello World. Maybe in other language it's like 5 to 6 line of code or just one line of code. For Python it's quite easy. We can use a print function. So print function is something, whatever you give in the print, it prints back in the console itself. So if you want to print some number, you can directly type your number, or generally for hello world I'll be putting in the string. So string is my data type which I can denote using double quote or single quote. So I can just say hello world in the double quote, and I can give all this code in the print statement, print function itself. So print function is something, whatever string or number you are providing here, it will print back into the console. So you can see here we got hello world here. Okay, so if you need to define a new variable, it's very easy in Python. Suppose I create a variable name. Yes, and here in Python is dynamic language, so you don't have to say I'm going to create a name which is going to be string type and then you are going to assign a value. You don't need to do like that. You just create a name and you give it a value. So either in single quote, suppose I create a variable in single quote, so this is your name variable. In command line you can directly check out what's the value of the name, or you can use your print statement to print the value for that name. So you can see it's quite easy, single quote or double quote, so there is no difference into that. It's all about preference and how, in which combination you are using that. So now name is assigned to Rajesh, and you can check out the value, you can print it. Now the name is not just restricted to the string itself. Suppose I give name some other values. I give name equals to 10. Yes, so name has got integer value, that is 10 now. So that's the meaning of a dynamic language. You don't have to give it a data type in advance itself. Whatever data you assign, Python automatically understands that, and it's an interpreted language. Now you can see I'm just typing the code, and this is the interpreter, and in the command line as soon as I type the code, I run it, the command line is interpreting. This is interpreter, command line interpreter. It is interpreting your code, it is understanding the meaning of the code and converting into our output. Yes, so you don't have to create a separate file, then you compile it and then you run it. You don't have to do like that. So for say in Java, you are creating a Java file, then you are compiling it, then you are executing it. So there is no such requirement in the Python itself. Python interpreter can work as your normal calculator also. You give it direct calculation, 10 plus 20 will be getting the result. 2 multiplied by 5 will be getting the result. I need to calculate 5 square, 5 double star square, and you see the result there. Yes, so yeah, if you like this web series, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be creating a lot of videos like this.